हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
Practice set 2.3 question. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing the square method. Question number 1, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So the solution for this is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now here, firstly check the coefficient of your x square, that a should not be rather than 1. So it should be always 1. Now bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation. So here x square plus x plus, now here we are adding 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So minus 20 as it is equal to 0. Why we have to add here minus 1 by 4? Whenever you are doing this completing square method, what you have to do is you have to take the add or subtract the value from as b by 2 whole square. You have to add that and subtract that for making the equation as it is. So here b is 1, so here it is 1. Okay, 1 divided by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, so it is 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now here you got is equal to 0. Here you got this is as for taking it as completing square. So x square plus 1 upon 4. This is first group. So therefore x plus 1 by 2 whole square. You can reduce this in this way as x square plus 1 by 2 whole square. When you expand this by using the formula, you will get the same expansion. Minus 1 upon, take minus common in bracket, 1 upon 4 plus 20 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus, when you do the addition for this is, then you will get, firstly make the denominator same, so here nothing is there, means 1. So 4 multiplied with 20 is 80 divided by 4 as it is equal to 0. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus, it is 81 divided by 4 is equal to 0, as 80 plus 1 is 81. Now x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 81 divided by 4. This minus, it will become plus over there. So take square root from both sides, then you will get x plus 1 by 2 is equal to under root of 81 divided by 4. So x plus 1 by 2 is equals to plus minus 9 by 2. Now find out the value for x from this. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 divided by 2, or x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 9 divided by 2. So the value of x is equal to 9 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 9 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So the x is equal to 8 by 2, as here denominators are same, so 9 minus 1 is 8 divided by 2 as it is, or it is minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 divided by 2. So the value of x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 5 as you divide this. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, so you have the value of x is 4, and here 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Therefore minus 5 and 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Question number 2, x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the solution is x square my plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now firstly check the value of a. A is 1, so we can proceed. Now take the value of b upon 2. You have to add and subtract this b upon 2 whole square. B upon 2 whole square. So it is where b is 2. Here b is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 1 square is 1. So we are adding and subtracting 1 from for this. So x square plus 2x plus 1 then minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1, this is the expansion. So we can write it down as x square minus plus 2x plus 1 minus in bracket 6 is equal to 0. So we can reduce this as x plus 1 whole square minus 6 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to 6. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to plus minus under root of 6, as we are taking the square root of both sides. So x plus 1 is equal to plus under root 6, or x plus 1 is equal to minus under root 6. Therefore, x is equal to under root 6 minus 1, or x is equal to under root 6 minus 1. Therefore, under root 6 minus 1 and minus under root 6 minus 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now sum number third. M square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. So the solution is m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. So it is, now see again, you have to check the value of a here, a, and here it is minus 5. So b, as I said, b upon 2 whole square that you have to take. So b upon 2 whole square. So b upon 2 is what? Here it is 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2 whole square is 25 divided by 4. So what we will do is m square minus 5m plus 25 divided by 4 minus 25 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. Now, as this is the expansion, we can reduce it. So it is m minus 5 divided by 2 whole square minus 25 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. So the values are m minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 3 plus 25 divided by 4. So m minus 5 divided by 4 whole square is equals to, just make the denominator same. So as 4 multiplied by 3 is minus 12 plus 25 divided by 4. So therefore m minus 5 divided by 2 whole square is equals to 13 divided by 4. As you subtract this, you will get 13 and sign of greater number. Now next, m minus 5 divided by 2 is equals to under root of 13 divided by 4. So you have to take here square root from both the sides. So m minus 5 by 2 is equals to plus minus under root 13 divided by 2. Therefore, m minus 5 divided by 2 is equal to under root 13 by 2, or m minus 5 divided by 2 is equals to minus under root 13 divided by 2. So m equal to under root of 13 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 2, or m is equal to minus under root of 13 by 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Therefore, 5 plus under root 13 divided by 2 is the value of m, or m is equal to 5 minus under root 13 divided by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 5 plus under root 13 divided by 2 and y is equal to 5 minus under root 13 divided by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. So question number 4 is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. So the solution is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. As I said, you have to check the coefficient of your variable square. Okay, so here y square is there and coefficient is 9. So you have to remove that and you have to take it as a 1. So here we will do is divide by both the sides by 9. You will get y square minus 12 divided by 9y plus 2 divided by 9 is equal to 0. So when you divide this by 9, 9 will get cancelled. You will get it as a y square, and again you will get the denominator 9 and 9. So y square, when you reduce this, it is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So it is 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. So y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Now you get the coefficient of this coefficient, that is a, is 1. Now again b by 2 whole square you have to add and subtract. So here b by 2 whole square. Now here b by 2 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 divided by 2. So it is 4 by 3 divided by 2. It means like we can do like that also, 1 by 2. So it is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Here 2 by 3 you have to take the square of 2 by 3. So it is whole square. Okay. So it is equals to y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 as 2 by 3. The square of 2 by 3 is 4 by 9. So plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. So see, for this y square minus 4 by 3y plus 9, 4 by 9, the reduction form is y minus 2 by 3 whole square. Now here what you have to do, take the take y of the first variable and 4 by 3 as 2 by 3 whole square. So it is minus 2 upon 9 as minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, see, y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 2 by 9. Now, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to under root of 2 divided by 9. Therefore, y minus 2 divided by 3 is plus minus under root 2 divided by 3, as the square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to under root 2 by 3, or y minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus under root 2 by 3. Therefore, y is equal to root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3, or y is equal to minus root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 plus root 2 divided by 3, as here denominators are same, so we can add that. So 2 plus root 2 divided by 3, or y is equal to 2 minus root 2 divided by 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 plus root 2 divided by 3 and y is equal to 2 minus root 2 divided by 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Question number 5. 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. So the solution is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Dividing both the sides by 2, we will get, as you divide this 2y square by 2, you will get it as y square plus 9 divided by 2y plus 5 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16, as 9 divided by 2, as I said you that b upon 2 whole square you have to take it. Okay. So b is 9 by 2 and divided by 2. So here you have 81 by 16 minus 81 by 16 plus 5 is equal to 0. So we will get the reduced form of this as y plus 9 by 4 whole square minus 81 plus 80 divided by 16. Here nothing is there, means 1 is the denominator. Then just make the denominator same first and add and subtract, that is equal to 0. So y plus 9 upon 4 whole square minus 1 upon 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, y plus 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to 1 by 16. Now, y plus 9 by 4, take the square root of both sides, is equal to under root of 1 upon 16. So y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to plus minus 1 upon 4. So the value of y is equal to 9 upon 4 is equal to plus 1 by 4, or y plus 9 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4, or y is equal to minus 1 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4. So y equal to 1 minus 9 is minus 8 upon 4, and here minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. So here it is divided by that. So it is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and here 4, both 10 and 4 are divisible by 2. So it is 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. So you have y is equal to -2 or y is equal to minus. Question number 6, 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. So the solution is 5x square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Just we have to take it in the standard form of quadratic equation. Now dividing both the sides by 5. So when you divide 5x square by 5, you will get x square minus 4x by 5, you will get 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 is equal to minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. So, why we take this 4 upon 25? So, we know that we have to take b divided by 2 whole square. You have to add and subtract that. Now, here the value of b is 4 upon 5 divided by 2. So, it is 4 upon 25. The whole square of that is 4 upon 25. Therefore, uh, x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25. The reduction form of this is x minus 2 by 5 whole square minus, just make the denominator same for these two, then you can add or subtract that. So here 5 is there, multiply 7 upon 5, 7 by 5 and 5 by 5, you will get minus 4 minus 35 upon 25 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 upon 5 whole square minus, it is 39 upon 25 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 upon 5 whole square is equal to 39 upon 25. So x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to under root of 39 upon 5, as we are taking the square root of both the sides. So x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to plus minus under root of 39 upon 5. So x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to under root of 39 upon 5, or x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to minus under root of 39 upon 5. Therefore, x is equal to under root of 39 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. As this minus 2 upon 5 is in the subtraction from going that side, that will be in the addition. Or x is equal to minus under root of 39 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. So x is equal to, denominators are same, so write it down at 1. So it is 2 plus under root of 39 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus under root of 39 upon 5. Therefore, 2 plus under root of 39 upon 5 and 2 minus under root of 39 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Practice set 2.4. Question number first. Compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b and c. Now question first is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. As we know, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So the solution is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So the values of a, b, c are as follows. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Now see, as we compare this x square minus 7x plus 5 with ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is this 1, the coefficient of x square is 1, b is minus 7, so I wrote here b is equal to minus 7 and c is 5. Now question number second, 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. So the solution is 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. As we are converting given quadratic equation in the general form. So general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So just take this 5m and minus 5 to the LHS side. Then this plus 5m, it will become minus 5, and this minus 5, it will become plus 5. So the values of a, b, c are as follows. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 5. So see this ax square. So compare this with ax square. So you get the value of a is 2. Now with bx, so bx is what here? Minus 5m. So minus 5 is the value of b and c is 5. Question number third, y square is equal to 7y. So the solution is y square minus 7y is equal to 0. Just take this 7 to the LHS side. So this is plus, from going that side that will be minus. So the values of a, b, c are as follows. So compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is 1, b is minus 7 and c is 0. Nothing is there means the value of c is 0. Question number second, solve using the formula. From that question number first, x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So the solution is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, as this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So we get the values of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Therefore, we have b square minus 4ac. We will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Just put the values of b, a and c in this formula. So here b is 6. So 6 square minus 4. What is the value of a? A is 1 and c is 5. So 6 square is 36 minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. So it is 20. 36 minus 20 is 16. So x is equal to, we have the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. From this we will get the values of x. So just put the values of b square minus 4ac and a in this formula. So the value of b is 6. So it is minus 6 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Just we calculate the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 16. 2 as it is multiplied by 1 as it is 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 as it is plus minus. Square root of 16 is 4. So just write down here 4 divided by 2. Now minus 6. So from here we are taking 2 common. So when you take 2 common from this, what is remaining in the bracket? So from this minus 6, 2 is outside. So minus 3 remaining, plus minus as it is. From this 4, 2 is outside, so 2 is remaining. Divided by 2 as it is. Now see, this 2 will get cancelled. Now you have minus 3 plus minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 plus 2, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 2. As once you have to take plus sign and after that you have to take minus sign. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, or minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 and minus 5. Question number second, x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the solution is x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get the values of a, b and c are a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Now find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Just put the values of b, a and c in this formula. Here you have b is minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 in bracket 1 multiplied by minus 2. So the square of minus 3 is 9. Minus minus it will become plus. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 9 plus 8 is 70. Now we will find out the value of x. So the x is equal to, we have the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just put the values of these in this formula. So we have minus as it is, the value of b is minus 3. Then put the value of b is minus 3 plus minus. B square minus 4ac is 17 divided by 2a. Therefore, minus minus it will become plus 3 plus minus under root of 17 divided by 2. So, x is equal to 3 plus minus under root of 17 divided by 2. So, the values of x is equal to 3 plus under root of 17 divided by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus under root of 17 divided by 2. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are 3 plus under root of 17 divided by 2 and 3 minus under root of 17 divided by 2. Question number third, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. So the solution is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have the values of a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Therefore b square minus 4ac, put the values of a, b, c in this formula. So here the value of b is 2, so it is 2 square minus the value of a is 3 multiplied by 3 and value of c is minus 7. Therefore the value 2 square is 4 plus minus plus, and you get, when you multiply 4 with 3 you will get 12 and 12 with 7 you will get 84. So it is equals to 88. 4 plus 84 is 88. So now we have the formula m is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore the value of b is minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 88. So under root of 88, 2 as it is, the value of a is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3. Therefore minus 2 plus minus, just split this, as we can take this 4 out as a 2. So 22 multiplied by 4 is 88 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Therefore minus 2 plus minus c. Just square root of 4 is 2. So take 2 out, under root of 22 divided by 6. Now from this we can take common 2. So when you take 2 common, what is remaining in the bracket? It is minus 1 plus minus. 2 is out, it is under root 22 divided by 6. Therefore m is equal to, cut this, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, so you have minus 1 plus minus under root of 22 divided by 3. So the value of m is equal to minus 1 plus under root of 22 divided by 3, or m is equal to minus 1 minus under root of 22 divided by 3. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 plus under root of 22 divided by 3 and minus 1 minus under root of 22 divided by 3. Now question number 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. So the solution for this is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. So comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of your quadratic equation. So we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 2. Now find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So put the values of a, b, c in this formula. You have b is minus 4, so minus 4 square minus 4 multiply by value of a is 5, so write down 5, and value of c is minus 2, so write down minus 2. Now minus 4 square is 16, minus minus it will become plus, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 and 20 multiplied by 4 is 40. So 16 plus 40 is 56. Now we have the formula, as we have to find out this by using the formula method. So we have formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b, minus as it is, so value of b is minus 4 plus minus, you got the value of b square minus 4ac as 56. So write down here 56 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. So 2 multiplied by value of a is 5. Therefore minus minus it will become plus 4 plus minus under root of, just split this 56. It is as 14 multiplied by 4 is 56. So that you can take this 4 out. So m is equal to 4 plus minus, take 2 out, as the square root of 4 is 2. Under root of 14 as it is divided by 10. Now from this we will take 2 common. So when you take 2 common from the numerator side, you will have in the bracket 2 plus minus, 2 is outside under root of 14 divided by 10. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. You can cut that part. So what is remaining? M is equal to 2 plus minus under root of 14 divided by 5. Now, so the value of M is equal to 2 plus under root of 14 by 5, or M is equal to 2 minus under root of 14 divided by 5. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are 2 plus under root of 14 divided by 5 and 2 minus under root of 14 divided by 5. Question number 5. Y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. So the solution for this is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. We will just multiply both the sides by 3. We will get, see, as you multiply this equation by 3, so you will have 3y square plus 1 upon 3 multiply by 3. 3 will get cut, you will have only y is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So you have 3y square plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, 3y square plus y minus 6, as we have to take it in the standard form, so plus 6, it will become minus 6 here. So minus 6 is equal to 0. Now compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4. The value of a is 3 and c is minus 6. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square is 1, minus minus it will become plus, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 and 12 multiplied by 6 is 72. So 72 plus 1 is 73. Now we have formula for y is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So put the values of a, b and b square minus 4ac in this formula. So we have b is 1, it is minus 1 plus minus the value of b square minus 4ac is 73. So the 73 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So minus 1 plus minus under root of 73, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, the y is equal to minus 1 plus under root of 73 divided by 6, or the value of y is equal to minus 1 minus under root of 73 divided by 6. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 plus under root of 73 divided by 6 and minus 1 minus under root of 73 divided by 6. Question number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. So the solution is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we get the value of a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Therefore, find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Just put the value of a, b and c in this formula. So we have b is 13, so it is 13 square minus 4. Value of a is 5 and value of c is 8. Therefore, the square of 13 is 169 minus 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 and 20 multiplied by 8 is 160. So 169 minus 160 is equal to 9. Now we have formula for finding out the roots. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore, the value of b is minus 13. We got the value of b square minus 4ac as 9 and 2 multiplied by a is 5. So 2 multiplied by 5. Therefore, minus 13 as it is plus minus the value of root 9 is 3 divided by 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus minus 3 divided by 10. So the value of x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 divided by 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 divided by 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10 divided by 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 is minus 16 divided by 10. So you have x is equal to 1, 10 divided by 10 is 1 and plus minus is minus. So the value of x is minus 1, or x is equal to, just divide this, you will get minus 1.6. So the roots of given quadratic equations are minus 1 and minus 1. Question number 3, write with the help of flowchart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 under root of 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 using the formula. So the solution is, so given things are, compare equations x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 and with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then find out the values of a, b and c. So find the value of b square minus 4ac and next write formula to solve the quadratic equation. So substitute the values of a, b, c and find out the roots. Now question number 6. X square plus 2 root 6 plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation. Now x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get the value of a as 1, b as 2 root 3 and c as 3. Now b square minus 4ac. Find out the value for this. So here we have b is 2 root 3 whole square minus 4. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is 3. Now when you find out the square of 2 root 3, the square of 2 is 4, as this is 4, and square of root 3 is 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. Minus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now you have here 12 minus 12. As you multiply 4 multiplied by 3, you will get 12. So the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now find out the roots. So we have formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just put the values of these things in this formula. We have b is minus 2 root 3. We have b is 2 root 3 and minus sign as it is, plus minus the value of b square minus 4ac is 0 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Therefore minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So it is x is equal to minus root 3, as this is 2 is cut with 2 and any number add with 0 is the same number. So it is minus root 3. So x is equal to minus root 3 plus 0, or x is equal to minus root 3 minus 0. Therefore x is equal to minus root 3, or x is equal to minus root 3. Therefore x is equal to minus root 3 and x is equal to minus root 3. So the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus root 3 and minus root 3.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.